Hi everyone. So let's just talk a minute about the gas mileage of the Lincoln Town Car. So this is my '07 Town Car. It's the normal version, not the long version. I'm driving it alone now. I just got gas earlier on 91 premium gas, and I reset the trip computer and the gas mileage about 13 miles ago. So you can see it there, 13 miles ago. So let's check what gas mileage we get now. Let me see if I can do this here. There we are. We have 30.2 MPG. So that sounds like that's a lot, but you have to put into consideration that I'm driving 70 miles an hour, and it's a straight shot. We have a little bit of elevation here, but not much. So when I go on a long trip, I usually average at about 25. I recently read someone claiming that he's about 28 to 31 MPG, and that's what made me try this, see if it's possible. So yes, it's possible, but I doubt it's possible if you have a stop or if you have some city driving. Alright, let me know what you think about this, and if you have this car as a daily driver, how you like your gas mileage. Is it okay? Is it not good with the gas prices going up? Just let me know. Guys, see you next time.